Hello everyone, in this video, we'll walk through how to install Microsoft Clarity on your Shopify store. Let's start by visiting the official Microsoft Clarity website at clarity.microsoft.com. From here, you'll see two ways to install Clarity. One is by manually copying and pasting a code snippet into the head section of your website. The other is by using one of the supported third-party platforms. Fortunately, Microsoft Clarity supports Shopify directly, so we can use the simpler option and install it from the Shopify App Store. To do that, first sign in to your Shopify account. Once you're signed in, go to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Microsoft Clarity AI Insights. Click on the listing that appears. Now click the Install button. Shopify will ask for permission to connect Microsoft Clarity with your store. Review the data access permissions. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Install again. If this is your first time installing Microsoft Clarity, you'll need to activate something called Clarity.js. To do that, click the button that says Go to App Settings. A new tab will open. In the new tab, you'll see the Clarity.js toggle. Make sure it is turned on. Then click Save. Once that's done, you can close the tab and go back to the original install page. It may refresh on its own to show your Clarity dashboard. If it doesn't show up, just click the refresh button again until it shows up. Now, Microsoft Clarity is installed on your Shopify store. It might take a few hours before you start seeing data on your dashboard. This is normal, so be patient. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.